Bumblebees are fascinating creatures that play a crucial role in our ecosystems, and many people don't realize that they can actually recognize human faces. These remarkable insects have the ability to buzz at specific frequencies to shake pollen loose from flowers, a technique known as buzz pollination. Interestingly, bumblebees can withstand cooler temperatures than many other bees, allowing them to forage earlier in the spring and later into the fall. Unlike honeybees, bumblebees live in smaller colonies that typically do not survive the winter, relying on new queens to start fresh each spring. Bumblebees possess a unique ability to regulate their body temperature by shivering their flight muscles, allowing them to remain active in cooler climates.